This is Cyclones 101. I'm Tom Crochelle. November 23rd, 1991. They said a storm was coming, and it was. A blizzard hits Iowa as the Cyclones play host to number 15 Colorado. They didn't take tickets. If you could get to the stadium, you were in, baby. No matter how you got there. About 2,000 fans made it, many kids sledding the hillsides. The wind chill, minus 16, and the punts. How about this one early?
Yeah, for sure, though. Carl Hayward. There's a kick. It's a line drive in short bounces. It's a loose football. Scrambling around. I think the Cyclones have it. I think Iowa State's got it. They do. The Cyclones come up to the ball. Hayward could not handle it.
Players huddled by the football warmer, but not these guys. Hi-yo! Jimmy Knott of Missouri Valley had a big day for the Cyclones, over 100 yards rushing in a pair of TDs.
They've done a great job since mid-season.
Third down. And here's the pitch. It's a late one to Knott. He turns the corner. He's at the 10. He's at the 5. Touchdown! Jimmy Knott with his second score of the day goes in on the option tip from Coldwell.
You couldn't tell the yard lines from the snow-filled seams of the turf. And no, that did not help. Colorado prevailed 17-14, but the fans who were there have stories for a lifetime. Class dismissed.